Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to configure your website settings, your page settings, and how to adjust SEO options effectively. Let's begin with the general website settings. Click on Settings, then select Website Settings. SEO is a broad topic, so today we'll focus on the essentials, adding SEO titles and descriptions. At the top, you'll see 5 SEO fields: SEO title, description and keywords, Twitter username, and finally, SEO language. These fields play an important role in how search engines like Google display your site in search results. For example, if someone searches for Rosie Myers photography, the title and description you enter here are what they'll see, just like the example shown for the Portfoliobox website. Let's add a title and description that we prepared earlier. A good meta description should briefly summarize the content of your site in about 160 characters, include relevant keywords, and encourage users to click. Keywords are optional. Google largely determines them automatically, but adding them yourself can still be helpful. Your SEO language should match the language of your title and description. In our case, that's English. Next is the site icon, which appears in your browser tab. Click Add Image and upload your icon. Remember to refresh your browser afterward to see the update. The share image is the image that appears when your website is shared on social media platforms. You'll also find an option to disable right-click, which helps prevent visitors from downloading your images. You'll also find an option to customize your cookie message banner. You can use the default text, but we'll create our own and include a link to our privacy policy. We won't go into detail about Google Analytics ID or Google Tag Manager ID in this tutorial, but you'll find a link to a dedicated guide next to these fields if you want to connect these services. Meta verification allows you to connect your site to Google Search Console. More details about using Google's tools are available in the video description. And finally, the Metapixel section enables you to integrate Metapixel with your website. Close this window and you'll see your customized cookie banner displayed at the bottom of the page. Now that we've covered the general settings, let's look at individual page settings. Click Edit, then Your Pages, and select Settings next to any page. Here, you can modify the page title that appears in the browser tab, adjust the page URL, and choose whether the page is included in the menu. The SEO title and SEO description added here are what Google displays for this specific page. A strong page-level meta description should clearly summarize the content of the page in one short paragraph. You can also set a share image for this page, which will appear when someone shares the link on social media. Below that, you'll find options to hide the menu or the footer for this page. And finally, you can publish or unpublish the page. This is especially useful when working on new content that you want to keep hidden until it's ready. We've covered site level and page level SEO. Now let's look at SEO settings for images. When you're in a gallery, click Edit Images, then Change Content, and select an image. Click See More to access the alt text field. Alt text describes what the image shows, and it's essential for search engine crawlers and for accessibility. This helps search engines index your visuals correctly. You can also set SEO details for images outside of galleries. Let's go to our About page. Click Edit Image, then Change Content, and fill in the alt text field with an accurate description of the image. There are also SEO settings for products and blog posts, but we'll cover those in a separate tutorial. And that's a wrap on configuring your site settings and SEO. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with our upcoming content.